Lord, I thank thee for this life-giving rain. For my soul was almost unto death. I did not know that a seed had been planted until the voice saturated my soul. You know what? Oh, that voice, it stirred something within me.